Why does every path in the world speak about gratitude when it comes to spirituality? Whether it is Sikhism, whether it is Jainism, whether it is Hinduism, whether it is Christianity, whether it is Islam, you name the religion in the world. In every religion, every path speaks about the need to have gratitude be deep in heart if you want to progress on the path towards the divine. The small bit of music that I played in the beginning and the music that I am going to play first and then later on, both the music has this common thread, and this common thread is gratitude. In the first bit of music that I'm playing, Prabhu very beautifully explains it and says, I have so much gratitude for you, my Lord, says the poet. I wish there is nothing that I have in my body but eyes. And with those eyes, what I want to do is, I just want to look at you. मेरा रोम रोम आंख बन जाए, मेरा कण कण आंख बन जाए और मैं तुझको देखते थकूं ना. और अगर एक आंख थक गई और आंख अगर झपक गई, मेरे पास लाखों आंखें हों जो कभी न थके और तेरा दीदार करते रहें, तेरा दर्शन करते रहें. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है तूने मुझे कितना दिया है, कितना दिया है. मैं अगर जिंदगी भर लिखता रहूं, सोचता रहूं, जपता रहूं, तो भी जितना तूने मुझे दिया है उसका मैं हिसाब नहीं लगा सकता. और धन्यवाद देने के लिए मैं यही चाहता हूं कि बस तेरा दीदार करता रहूं और तेरे को सिर्फ शुक्रिया 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 बोलता रहूं. Now this is the essence of the song that I am about to play. Why so much gratitude? In my training programs in life school, they have one session which is completely devoted to understanding gratitude. And it's almost a 2.5 hour session. The gist of that session is, gratitude helps me to conquer every negative emotion in my life. Unknowingly in my subconscious mind, if I've accumulated negative emotions, hurt, frustration, irritation, anger, fear, the presence of these negative emotions means in those experiences, I did not anchor myself on gratitude. In those experiences, my thinking was only on the faults and what is not okay. When I am in gratitude, when I live my life out of gratitude, my focus is always on what is good, what is great, what is fantastic in my life. Like the classic saying is, you want a great banyan tree, a part of it has to be dug inside very deep in mud, which will never even see the light of the day. Which means there is the dirty muddy part, and then there is a beautiful looking, strong looking, giant banyan tree. I want lotus, it is there in mud. I want rose, there are thorns. So the Creator gives us both kinds of life and then says, you want to evolve in life, you have to choose gratitude. You want to devolve in life, you can always choose the thorns and the mud. So he says, I'll give you both, and both is required for you to develop. The more I give you thorns, the greater you can anchor yourself on gratitude, the deeper you will experience the divine, and the faster you will experience me or experiences of spirituality. Gratitude is the best attitude, we say. I repeat, in case I have accumulated negative emotions, it is proof that in those experiences of life, I did not anchor myself on gratitude at all, I anchored myself maybe on arrogance. I anchored myself maybe on ego. I anchored myself maybe on unrealistic expectations. I did not anchor myself on gratitude. Today, both the music that we play will be centered on gratitude. However, the process that I do is not about gratitude, it is about something else. What is that something else? Let me create an environment where it becomes very easy for me to feel gratitude. In floriculture, they will say the best of seeds cannot germinate unless the right soil and the right environment is given to it. Those of us who are fond of mangoes know Ratnagiri mangoes, Devgarh mangoes are really tasty. Now the same seeds in Pune, in Chennai, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, in Delhi, the same seed will not produce the same impact which they will go and do in that part. Because the wind flows from a particular direction, bringing it with certain temperature, certain power of the breeze. The soil brings its own thing, the environment around brings its own thing, and therefore that seed over there germinates beautifully well. So you have the knowledge, you have the seed, you have the awareness, you have the seed, you have a desire and you have the seed. Now let's see how is it that we can create an environment today. I'll put the music on, and in about a minute or two after the music is on, I will start taking you deeper into the silence process. Breathe in to a count of 4. When you inhale, you will talk to yourself about strength. When you exhale, you will let go of your weakness. If you can do that, fair enough. If you can't do that, just shift your entire focus to inhalation and exhalation. As the music is on, shift your entire focus on inhalation and exhalation.
ये सुल्तान बाहू की रुबाइयाँ हैं, तो इसमें वो कहते हैं कि ये मेरा जो तन है ये आँख बन जाए, ये तन
Inhale to a count of 4
और मैं उसका दीदार करता थकूं ना,
and exhale to a count of 4.
और इससे इतना भी काफी नहीं है कि मेरा एक एक
Let me give you the countdown twice
आँख बन जाए,
and then I leave it to you.
और एक एक रोम में लाखों आँखें.
Let's start with inhalation. 1, 2,
उसका ऐसा दीदार
3,
करता रहूं,
4.
ऐसे देखता रहूं.
Exhale. 1, 2,
तो
3,
कहते वो
4.
दीदार करना है.
Inhale.
मुझे हज पे जाने की जरूरत
1,
नहीं, मुझे कहीं
2,
कुछ रोजा कमाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे कुछ
4.
तीर्थ जाने की जरूरत नहीं.
Exhale.
वो दीदार करने
1,
में मैं संपूर्ण
2, 3,
कर पाता.
4. Inhale.
में कहते हैं
1,
कि ना
2,
मैं सुन्नी हूँ,
3,
क्योंकि
4.
2 क्लासेस होते हैं, एक सुन्नी होता है, एक
Exhale.
शिया होता है.
1,
तो कहते हैं ना मैं सुन्नी
2,
हूँ और ना ही मैं शिया.
3, 4.
मेरा दोनों से ही दिल जल गया.
Please continue the breathing. Inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation to a count of 4 and exhalation to a count of
आदमी
4.
का ज्यादातर यही रहता है, कुछ बनना है, उसको बनना है. तो जब वो बनता है तो वो कहते हैं कि जब कुछ बन गया फिर वो जो खुदा ने दिल को बना के भेजा तो वो नहीं बनेगा. जो दिल को वो बना के भेजा वो अलग है. तो कहते हैं ना मैं सुन्नी ना मैं शिया, मेरा दो हाथ तो दिल सड़या है, दोनों से मेरा दिल भर गया. कहते मगर गुरु का प्रेम मुझे ऐसा मिला है कि जो रास्ता जो मुश्किल वाला था वो आसान हो गया है. जब मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूं ना तो रास्ता बहुत सिंपल हो गया. मुक गए सब खुशकी दे पेंडे, ऐसा उसका प्रेम का, वैदिक का, उसका प्यार का दरिया ऐसे मेरे दिल में समाया कि
Inhale to a count of 4
ड्राइनेस था खत्म हो गया जीवन में.
and exhale to a count of 4.
पेंडे दरिया रहमत बढ़िया.
Very gentle
और वही लोग
and remain focused on inhalation and exhalation.
प्रेम है, जिनके हृदय में गुरु का प्रेम है और गुरु का प्यार है, और वही लोग आगे बढ़ पाते हैं. तो जीवन में एक तो कुछ बनने का वो होता है, वो शिया और सुन्नी और हिंदू मुसलमान इन सब से ऊपर है, जो आदमी को रियल अपने सेल्फ से जोड़ता है। वो तभी आदमी जान पाता है जब उसको अपनी नॉलेज, सेल्फ नॉलेज होता है। अपने आप को जब जानता है तब वो समझता है कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, मैं बनने नहीं आया हूँ, मैं तो ऑलरेडी हूँ, आई एम दैट। तो ये इन दोनों रवैयों का ये तन मेरा चश्मा होवे, मैं मुर्शद वेखना रजा हूँ। ढूंढूं दे विच
Inhale to a count of 4
लख लख चश्मा
and exhale to a count of 4. This count is for alertness.
मैं एक खोला
This count will increase your focus.
खजा हूँ।
Your ability to be alert to your life will increase with this breathing. Inhale to a count of 4 and exhale to a count of 4.
इतना डिठिया मैनू सब्र ना आवे, मैं होर किदे बल भजा। मुर्शद दा दीदार है सन, मुर्शद दा दीदार है सन।
Let's go deeper now.
मैनू लख
I want you to completely anchor yourself to the feelings which is there in this piece of music, and the guidance and the words that I'm going to gently give to you in the next few minutes. Yesterday we discussed two kinds of breathing. One which is a breathing for action, where your body needs to put a lot of effort, and hence your breathing is very rapid and sharp. That breathing tires you very fast. And after that breathing, you need to take some rest very, very fast. The second kind of breathing is a breathing for alertness, for focus, where you breathe a little deeper than your normal breathing style, 10% deeper than your normal breathing style. You inhale and exhale to an equal amount. But in this equal amount, your whole body is relaxed and your mind is sharp, and therefore it is able to focus and be alert. Your efficiency in life goes up. Your ability to learn and grasp becomes better. Your ability to execute improves. This is what we learnt yesterday. Parallelly, what we also discussed is, if I have negative emotions within me, which includes doubts, fear, hurt, they will every now and then take my focus away and distract me. Hence, let us become ready with these right things, but also deal with the negative emotions, which is what we did in yesterday's process. Having done breathing of 4 and 4 inhalation and exhalation, now today let's go a little deeper. And why do we need to go deeper? The third state with which a human being exists and functions is when the system, the whole mind, my entirety of emotions is relaxed to its peak. It means I go beyond my conscious mind, very deep into the subconscious mind. In this state, a dream, a decision, an insight, an awareness creates its presence like a hammer. In cricket, they would say when the batsman is set, when the bowler bowls, the batsman is able to see the cricket ball as big as a football. He's so tuned to things, what is important becomes so big, he can't miss it. He cannot take a wrong step. He cannot be at fault. And therefore, he goes on to play beautifully well. A state of mind where your body, your mind, and your emotions will only welcome that which is positive, and without even instructions, throw out everything which is negative. Bhakti is that state of mind. Devotion is that state of mind. Complete surrender is that state of mind. 100% acceptance to whatever life gives to you, and you feeling responsible to do whatever you need to do to take life ahead is born out of this state of mind. Your ability to forgive, leave, and move on effortlessly happens in this state of mind. So one part of this state of mind is the emotional preparedness. So remember, whenever you want to go deep into silence, one part is the physical, mental, and the technical part. And the other part is your emotional makeup with which you sit to do the process. When you get your emotions right, and as you move from anything which is negative and anything which is shallow positive into deep positive called gratitude, you will slip into silence much, much faster. Today I will play a very, very beautiful piece of music which I heard for the first time today, who sings bhajans as well as Sufi brilliantly well. I heard it and I was mesmerized by that piece of music. And we are going to do the process in that music today. What is the process? The process is very simple. Today we will inhale to a count of 4 and exhale to a count of 8. You heard me right. Inhale to a count of 4 and exhale to a count of 8. Which means the inhalation will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhalation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhalation 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhalation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will take about 3-4 rounds of the breathing for you to get that breathing right, for you to get the knack of the breathing properly. But don't give up. As you attempt to get it right, chances are you might have some negative thoughts. नहीं हो रहा है, easy नहीं है, it is too long. अरे यार 4 and 6 चलता था ना, 4 and 8 की जरूरत थी क्या? अरे यार, the moment you have these thoughts, just smile at them because these thoughts are expected. And all you need to do is fill your heart with gratitude. कि boss अपने को कोई सिखाने वाला है. Boss, we are blessed that we are in a lockdown where we have chance to go through this. Boss, we are so glad that somebody has taken a decision to do these processes for us. We invest our time and energy and it helps us beautifully well. Fill your heart with gratitude, and along with gratitude say, let me give it a shot, let me surrender. If so many people are able to do it, I think I will also be able to do it. And I would love to go deeper into that state of mind where negatives have a huge, huge barrier before they enter into my system. And in case they are able to slip inside, I will be alert enough to gently push them outside again. You know, as we sit to eat food, sometimes there are flies which comes and they dance over our plate. The fact that they have come does not mean they have to stay. What are we going to do? Shoo shoo. Immediately we just push those flies off. Sometimes we just switch on the fan, and with the fan, with that breeze, the flies go away. Similarly, the plan today is gratitude. Your alertness today is the shoo-shoo that you do, and you, through the flow of your hands, push the flies away. The flies will come, but you need not keep them. Negative thoughts might come, but just smile, push them away, and go back to inhale to a count of 4, exhale to a count of 8. Slowly and steadily, as the inner resistance goes away, you will find the rhythm. Maybe towards the end of the process, the rhythm will come. For a few of you, you will happen it within a month or 2. But do not give up till you get the rhythm. And in this, keep listening to this very beautiful piece of music, which has a lot of devotion inside it. As much as I enjoyed this piece of music, I pray you also get to enjoy it equally. So Yashwant, if you're there, thank you so much for this piece of music. I really, really enjoyed it. Here it is for all of us.
ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है.
Sense the gratitude. Feel the gratitude. How beautifully he says, ये मेरी अर्जी है, मैं वो हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है. The same thing was being told by Prabhu in the earlier song, कि मुझे वो नहीं बनना है जो मैं चाहता हूं, मुझे वो बनना है जो तू चाहता है. Now that is what is the essence of gratitude all about. Zero resistance to life, complete acceptance to life. Devotion happens with surrender. Gratitude happens with surrender and acceptance. So let's go very deep in silence, very deep in gratitude. Listen to this piece of music again and again, and focus on your breathing. Inhale to a count of 4 and exhalation to the count of 8. For a few minutes now, you will not listen to any words from me. Enjoy this song in its completeness.
ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है. वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी. अब और न मन भटके.
Inhale to 4, exhale to 8. Have a slight smile on your face and keep feeling gratitude and go deeper and deeper into silence. Create a huge barrier against all negative emotions and thoughts. Thank you so much for joining.
इश्क बड़ी बाजी
This music will continue for some time, at least for 15 minutes.
राजी
So those of you who want to be in silence for 15 minutes, stay with me. I won't speak anymore after this. Just go deeper and deeper into silence. Thank you for joining in. Thank you so much for coming. I'll come and see you again tomorrow at 10 p.m. Love you so much and happy night.
लफ्ज़ों का टुकड़ा है, लफ्ज़ों का टुकड़ा है, जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है, जिक्र प्यारे का अश्कों से होता है। हाँ जी दिल की तैयारी है, हाँ जी दिल की तैयारी है, याद प्यारे की भीतर तो जारी है, याद प्यारे की भीतर तो जारी है। ये मेरी अर्ज़ी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्ज़ी है। छम 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 बारिश है, छम 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 बारिश है, मालिक घर ले चले, हर बूंद से बारिश है। मन का दर्पण मांझा, मन का दर्पण मांझा, तुझ में दिखे सारे।
Are you able to practice
का रूप साझा,
inhalation to a count of 4 and exhalation to a count of 8?
दिखे तीनों गुरुओं का रूप साझा।
Have that smile on your face
आहट है
which says that you are ready for gratitude and you want to purify your heart and soul
गुरुओं के
and take a few steps closer in spirituality.
आप ही वो हस्ती हैं।
For those of you who find easier to have gratitude with your hands raised and you move your body in Latihan, do that.
हर दिल में
But anchor to breathing, inhalation to 4 and exhalation to 8. It will take a little practice, but once you get the knack of it, you will be very strong and capable to remove all negatives and replace it with gratitude effortlessly, like this. Once again, thank you so much and love you all.
तू ही किनारा है, बस तू ही सहारा है, तू ही किनारा तू ही सहारा है। ये मेरी अर्जी है, ये मेरी अर्जी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है। अब तू ही है मंजिल, अब तू ही है मंजिल, तू ही सहारा है, अब तू ही किनारा है। ये मेरी अर्जी है, ये मेरी अर्जी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है, जो तेरी मर्जी है, जो तेरी मर्जी है। ये मेरी अर्जी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है, वो मैं हो जाऊं जो तेरी मर्जी है। अब और न मन भटके, अब और न मन भटके, आंखें रख आई।
Inhale to a count of 4. Exhale to a count of 8. Have a smile on your face. Anchor yourself on gratitude. Clean everything knowingly and unknowingly accumulated in the subconscious mind. Create a huge barrier against future negatives. Go a little beyond just alertness and focus. Not only to grab what is happening in the world outside, but also understanding the world inside. And become a little more prepared to walk on the path of spirituality. This is a very, very deep process. It might take a few sessions of practice, but if done well, this process can become your best friend in life. Wish you all the best and love you so much.